Hello children, welcome back to our class. How are you all? Hope you all are doing good. Today I came here with an interesting thing. Today our session is full of activities. I'm so sad because we can't do these activities together. Don't worry. What you have to do is that you have to observe all these activities carefully. Children, take a bowl that filled with water. Do you know what happens if you put a flower to this water? Can you guess? Let us see what happens. Before starting this activity, collect a paper clip, stone, feather, leaf, then pencil, spoon, iron nail, bottle cap, coin. Next, what we have to do is that put these things in water one by one. Let us start. First, I am going to put this paper clip to this water. What happened? Paper clip is heavy. It sinks in water. Next, I am going to put this flower to this water. Flower is light. It floats on water. It floats on water. Next, I am going to put this stone to this water. Stone is heavy. It sinks in water. Next, I am going to put this coin to this water. What happened? Coin is heavy. It sinks in water. Next, I am going to put this bottle cap to this water. Bottle cap is light. It floats on water. Next, I am going to put this iron nail to this water. What happened? Iron nail is heavy. It sinks in water. Next, we can put this spoon to this water. Spoon is heavy. It sinks in water. Put this pencil to this water. What happened? Pencil is light. It floats on water. Then put this leaf to this water. What happened? Leaf is light. It floats on water. Then I am going to put this feather to this water. Feather is light. It floats on water. Feather is light. It floats on water. So children, flower, feather, leaf, bottle cap, pencil. These things float on water because these things are light. These things are light. Then paper clip, stone, spoon, iron nail, coin. These things sink in water because these things are heavy. These things are heavy. Next is activity number 2. Take 2 bowls of water. Take stones in one bowl and take salt in second bowl. Then next, add some salt to this water. Then mix it well. Mix well. Children, now the salt mixes in water and you cannot see salt in it. Then add these stones to this second bowl. Then mix it well. Look here what happened. Stones do not mix in water and you can see them. I will show you the things that mix in water and things that do not mix in water. First we can see the things that mix in water. Salt, sugar, coffee, soap, paint, milk. All these things are the things that mix in water. These are the things that mix in water. Next we can see the things that do not mix in water. Stones, log, flour, paper, oil, grapes. All these are the things that do not mix in water. All these are the things that do not mix in water. Next is activity number 3. We all love to have fun with water. Children, things become heavy when we fill water in them. Things also become heavy when they soak in water. Let me show you what happens when we put a cotton ball to this water. The cotton ball soaks water and becomes heavy. Then it sinks in water. Things that soak water become heavy and sink just like a sponge. Now it is our activity time. I already told you that things become heavy when we fill water in them. Let us check it. For that, take 2 empty bottles. Fill one bottle with water. Then hold the bottles in both your hands. You will find that the bottle with water is heavy. Bottle with water is heavy. One more activity is there. Take 2 dry sponges. Dip one sponge in a mug full of water. Keep it dipped till it soaks water. Then hold the sponges in both your hands. What do you feel now? You will find that the sponge that has soaked water is heavy. Ask your mother to help you for doing this activity. Also do the worksheets. Thank you children. See you in the next class.